Okay, the third part of the video is the template for the branch. So first thing we do is we need to stretch out the outside circumference of the branch. So what we need to do is take the outside diameter. Outside diameter is 1, 1, 4. So add 1 millimeter for the thickness of the template. So it will become 115 millimeter. So how to find the circumference? We need to stretch out the outside circumference. So multiplied by pi. Okay. Then pi is 3.1416. So now we'll do the calculation. So 115 for the diameter multiplied by, that's the outside diameter, 114 plus 1 for the thickness of the template. Then multiplied by pi, which is 3.1416 equals, so that's 361. That is 361.284. Then how many division do we have? So that is 8 ordinate lines from, if we look at the template, that is 8 ordinate lines. So both sides, that will be 16. So divide it by 16 divisions. So each divisions consists of 22.58 millimeter. Okay. So when you're using tape measure or ruler, you can use that. You can set that to 22.5. But if you have the caliper, then we can set that to the proper length, which is 22.58. So what you need to do is put that to 22.5, then mark it both sides. Right, this is what I've pre-drawn. This is the belt, a minimum of 2 inches, and this is the part that we will be drawing the saddle depth. Make sure that that space is longer than the longest saddle depth from the drawing. Okay, so we'll set that to 22.58. So that's it. Next is market. So that is the 22.58. So we'll check. Right. Then to make that faster, use the divider. So set that to the same as the mark. Okay. So if you don't have that, if you are not using the drawing board, you need to mark both sides so that you can just align and scribe that on that way. There. So since that I am using a drawing board, I will just mark one side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One more, 17 for the overlap connection. So there. Got that side. Right? Then as I've said, if you don't have the, if you are not using the, if you're not using the drawing board, then you need to draw or mark both sides. Then connect it that way, describe it that way. But since I am using the drawing board, so it's easier for me. Okay, so next is the template for the branch. Right, for the saddle depth of the branch. So since that I forgot to switch on the video, so I'll just repeat what I've done. Okay, now to stretch it out, we need to get the outside diameter of the branch, which is 114. So add 1 milli for the thickness of the template paper. So it will become 115. Then multiply that by pi to find the outside circumference. So pi is 3.1416. So outside circumference is 114 plus 1 is 115 plus multiplied by pi, which is 3.1416, equals 261.284. Now let's find now the distance of each divisions. So 361.284 divided by 16 divisions, because as we see, the ordinate lines are in the drawing are 8. So both sides multiplied by 2, 8 times 2 is 16. So now divide it by 16 divisions. So that will be 22.58. Now, how to mark it? So this is pre-drawn. That is the belt. Okay, that is the belt. Then this is the place that we will mark the saddle depth. Right? So to mark the divisions, you can use steel rule. So that is 22.5. You can set it by 22.5. So in between 22 and 23, so that's 22.5, or using the caliper. The caliper, yeah. So measure that one. The next is use the divider. Use the divider. Okay, then if you are not using drawing board, then you can mark both sides. Can mark both sides. There, and so on. So since I'm using a drawing board, then I can just mark it on one side, that way. Then next is draw its divisions. Okay, so its divisions, draw its divisions. Then it must be 17. 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. The 17 division will be used for overlapping connection when you wrap that around to your branch pipe. Then mark it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and 1 again. Then mark your drawing also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your wraparound line, and that will be your wraparound line on the stretched out drawing of your template. Now, next is that 0 is 0. Okay, so next is take the saddle depth. Saddle depth of that, then 1 must be marked to the number 1 division. Number 1, there are 2 ones there, so 1 and 1, then 2 there, then here 2, then 2 there. Okay, so and so on. So 3 is for 3, 3 and 3, 4, 4 and 4, using the divider until you finish to division number 8. Okay, so since that we finished that one, next is we need to mark the contour line. Okay, we'll start to draw the contour. So from here to there. Right. No mark. No mark. Okay, so again. Right. Then okay, from here to there. Okay, 4. Okay. Okay. Right, from here to there. Okay, then we can finish that to that side. Right, then over here, so okay, then you can take that to there, to the others, to the end, please. Yeah. Okay, so that is the template. So that's the saddle depth template, and this is the belt that you can use when you will be wrapping it around. Right. So that's the template for the branch.